AutoTuner adds Ford EMS2910 and EMS2916 ECUs via OBD. What it means for you. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Baabji Motors, where I'm your host Hussain. Today we're diving into some exciting news for all of you tuning fans and diagnostic tech lovers. Before we jump in, quick heads up, this video is purely educational and informative. Everything shown is for learning purposes. We follow fair use guidelines, and all trademarks belong to their owners. Always remember, follow manufacturer guidelines and your local laws when working on any vehicle. Now here's a question for you, and I want you to think hard about this. When a tuning tool adds support for new ECUs, how does that actually change what a technician can do? And what does it mean for someone tuning or repairing a car? Stick around, because by the end I'm revealing something that most people don't realize about these new protocols. So what's new? In December 2025, AutoTuner dropped not one but two new protocols for Ford EMS2910 and Ford EMS2916, both available via OBD Normal Read, NR. That means a lot more cars now fall under what you can diagnose or tune, especially if they run one of Ford's EcoBoost engines. Let's go deeper. These ECUs are type engine control units, and the tool allows full readout, both software and calibration. Under the hood, the microcontroller is a TC387, and performance is solid. Read time is about 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and write time is roughly 1 minute. Plus, the tool corrects checksums automatically. Smooth, efficient, no sweat. Which cars are compatible? If you own a Ford Bronco Sport 2024, Ford Escape 2023, Ford Kuga 2023, Ford Maverick 2021, Ford Puma 2024, or certain Ford Mustang models 2024, you're good to go if they run EcoBoost 1.0, 1.5, or 2.0 engines. On the Lincoln side, we've got Lincoln Corsair 2023 and Lincoln Nautilus 2024, with the 2.0 EcoBoost also covered. What does this mean for you, whether you're a hobby tuner or a professional technician? First, it broadens tuning and diagnostic coverage significantly, especially for modern Ford and Lincoln SUVs and compact SUV Versys. Second, it lets you read and write calibrations cleanly via OBD, which is often safer and more convenient than more invasive options. And third, it saves time. You can comfortably plan for just a few minutes of access per vehicle. Now here's a fun one. Imagine you're in a rush, coffee in one hand and scanner in another, and you finish a full ECU read in around the time it takes to scroll through your morning feed. That's right, faster than brewing a proper espresso. So what's the hard question I asked earlier? How does this update really change what a technician can do? The answer, it unlocks access. For previously unsupported ECUs, tuning or full calibration was a hassle, maybe even required disassembly or expensive dealer-only tools. Now, with these protocols added, even home-based tuners or small shops can work on modern Ford and Lincoln EcoBoost engines, cleanly, efficiently, and via standard OBD. Personally, I think this is a great step forward for democratizing automotive tuning and diagnostics. It lowers barriers and gives enthusiasts and pros alike more control, more flexibility. What do you think? Have you got a Ford or Lincoln with one of these ECUs? Or maybe you're waiting for support on a different vehicle. Drop your experiences or thoughts in the comments. Here's a bonus tip. Always back up both software and calibration before making any changes, even if the tool promises checksum correction. It's a simple habit that can save a lot of headaches down the road. If you found this useful, imagine what tuning your next ride could feel like: quick, clean, and confident. Smash that like button, help us reach 10,000 likes. Throw down a comment, shoot for 1,000 comments, and hit subscribe to stay in the loop. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and happy diagnosing.